Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to manage internal links and external links in your WordPress website. So search this plugin, external links, no follow, no opener and new window. So this is the famous and popular plugin to manage these all type of links. Install and activate and use this plugin. And guys, share your experience with this plugin you like or not like. And also guys, check out my playlist about WordPress learning series and WordPress plugin series. So in this short and basic video, just I gave you information about a must have and popular plugins to manage internal and external links. So this is the useful, easy to use. So install and activate. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe the channel for more useful videos.